Welcome to our channel, ERP Experts. Today we are going to talk about the impact of automation on fluid terminal safety and compliance. Fluid terminals are the backbone of industries like oil, gas, and chemicals. But with increasing safety regulations and compliance demands, automation is no longer a luxury, it's a necessity. So, how does automation enhance safety and ensure regulatory compliance in fluid terminal management? Let's find out. 1. Understanding the risks in fluid terminals. 1. Fluid terminals handle hazardous substances, making them prone to spills, leaks, and operational inefficiencies. 2. Manual monitoring and outdated systems increase the risk of human error, compliance violations, and even catastrophic incidents. This is where automation comes in. By integrating smart technology, companies can significantly reduce risks and improve safety standards. 2. How automation enhances safety. Real-time monitoring, sensors detect leaks, temperature changes, and pressure fluctuations instantly. Predictive maintenance. AI-powered systems anticipate equipment failures before they happen. Automated shutdowns. Emergency protocols activate instantly in case of anomalies, preventing disasters. With automation, terminals can react to hazards in real time, minimizing damage and ensuring worker safety. 3. Compliance made easy with automation. 1. Governments enforce strict regulations for environmental safety, emissions control, and reporting. 2. Automated systems generate accurate compliance reports, reducing the risk of fines and legal issues. 3. Digital records ensure audit readiness without the hassle of manual documentation. Automated compliance tracking means businesses stay ahead of regulations instead of scrambling to catch up. 4. Real-world success stories. 1. A major oil terminal reduced spills by 40% after implementing automated monitoring. 2. A chemical storage facility improved compliance reporting efficiency by 70% with digital automation tools. The numbers speak for themselves. Automation is revolutionizing fluid terminal safety and compliance. 5. The future of automated fluid terminals. 1. AI-driven predictive analytics will further reduce downtime and safety risks. 2. Integration with blockchain will enhance data security and transparency in compliance records. 3. Cloud-based control systems will allow operators to monitor and manage terminals remotely. The future of fluid terminal management is smarter, safer, and fully automated. What do you think about automation in fluid terminals? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on the latest trends in terminal management.